Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Today we have had people who have come with various grievances pertaining to mutation, grievances pertaining to survey plans, various type of issues we've tried to resolve, and I'm sure many have gone happy. Some we have called back next week when we've given time to the officers to get their files and go through the files. We hope that we will resolve the issues by next. PDA sewage issues are under control. The estimates have been done. Sewage Corporation. So he has assured he will get that. He will get that done. Works are progressing. Works were delayed because of the monsoons. But I think we are trying to make up for the delay. And I personally believe we will achieve our target of trying to get everything ready by the 10th. Slight delay here and there, so maybe we go to the 15th. But we will deliver on all our commitments. The Chief Minister is very particular. He wants to ensure that whatever commitments he has given will be delivered in time.